Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing today the unboxing of the November Boxycharm. So if you guys want to see, you know you need to stick around. But first, you know what to do. You know you want to press it. You know you want to press it. There's a button here. Just press it. Press it. It says subscribe. Alright guys, let's get into it. So I'm doing the unboxing for the November Boxycharm. Looks like they sent out some email about I don't know. They sent out an email about something. But anyway, so first thing I got was these lashes. And these are Lashaholic luxury lashes. Very cute, glittery. I like it. So yeah, lashes. We can always use lashes. Oh, guys. Shameless plug. We're going to be featuring lashes in our box, the GLITZGLAMBOX, so you know you want to subscribe. I'm going to leave the link down below. Ours is only $15, not $21. And you do get a full-size palette, and you also get a liquid lipstick this month, and you're going to get lashes too. I'm trying to get this open. This is the Luxie brush set here. It's like not opening for me, but yeah, you can see it's 4 brushes in here. Looks like eye brushes. They look kind of skinny. I like a more fluffy brush, but you know, you can always use brushes, so that's good. Next thing I got was this Janta Blue Glittering Eyes eyeliner. So that's good. It looks like, oh, mine's broken. It looks like black and gold. So that's cool. And then the next thing I got was the Cover FX glitter drops. So I'm not into glitter on my face, and they gave us a Cover Effect drop before. I think that was in the limited edition one, but I don't know. I mean, they're cool. I love glitter, but I just don't like glitter on my face. So I mean, this could be good for like a body or something. Or I don't know, and it's in the shade Nova, so it looks like just like a gold glitter, so that's cool. And then the last thing we got was this palette. It's by Ace Beauty, or is this Beauté? Grandiose palette. Ooh, uh-oh, the sleeve fell. So it does not have a mirror. It does feel a little like cardboardy, but that's okay. So here are the colors here. Yeah, it would be cute if it had a mirror, but I mean, it's cute packaging. So yeah, and this is from Ace Beauté, the Grandiose palette. Alright, I was actually going to open my sister's box, but she opened it and we got the exact same thing. So I'm like, oh, that's not going to add to my video. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you check out my unboxing of my own beauty box, which is called the GLITZGLAMBOX. You can also follow the Instagram for the box, which is at GLITZGLAMBOX on Instagram, and I'll put the website down below if you want to check it out. It's only $15. We're featuring indie brands, women-owned brands, so yeah, you want to check it out. Yeah, you're going to get a palette, full-size lipstick, lashes. So I mean, right then and there, it's over $15. It's worth over $15, and you are also getting additional bonus items. So everything's full size, just so you guys know, just so you know, I'm trying to hook y'all up, okay? So don't walk, run to get that GLITZGLAMBOX, okay? Guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow my Instagram. My Instagram is at GLITZGLAMFIX. So, yeah, until the next video, bye.